Dear children, today we discuss one important competency focused style question based on the refraction of light through a glass lab. So, if you can see here, a data is given related to the three glass labs: slab A, slab B, slab C. But you should be very careful that here thickness of glass slab is 2 centimeter, but this thickness is same. At the same time, A, B are made up of the same material. You may get a one doubt, sir. How can you say that? Because both are made up of the same material, and the glass slab C made up of the different flint glass, different material. Now we need to answer the question. So before that, we should know one important thing that refractive index of flint glass is greater than that of the crown glass. Very, very, very important point. Without knowing this point, we cannot answer the questions. Okay, na? I repeat once. Refractive index of flint glass is greater than that of the refractive index of crown glass. And here, few points let us recall. So we know that lateral displacement lateral displacement is directly proportional to the refractive index, and lateral displacement is directly proportional to the even thickness. So based on these two factors, now we are going to answer the question. Now first question: arrange the slabs in increasing order of lateral displacements. Increasing order of lateral displacement. So out of these three, as C1 is made up of with flint glass, so out of all glass slabs, C should have more lateral displacement. Means lateral displacement of C should be greater, should have very much high. But you may get one doubt, sir. This A and B both are made up of the same material. Then how will decide? Now we need to check the thickness, as both are made up of the same material. So the glass slab with a more thickness will have more lateral displacement. That is, thickness of B is more than that of A, right? So then it is lateral displacement of B is greater than lateral displacement of A. So children, this is the first answer. Children, hope you understood. I repeat once again, ma. So here, how can we say that lateral displacement of C is very much greater than compared with other two, based on the this point only. So refractive index of the flint glass is more than the crown glass. So by default, as slab C is made up of the flint glass, should have more lateral displacement. Then out of AB, how we are deciding? A and B both are made of the same material. Then we need to see the thickness. Whichever the block has more thickness will have more lateral displacement. That's it. Okay, fine. Now answer B. Which factor is responsible for the difference between A and B? Very good. So that is what we are talking. That is the thickness. The factor is thickness. So how does it depend, ma? As I discussed earlier, lateral displacement is directly proportional to thickness. Okay, fine. Now, C question here. Which factor is responsible for the difference between B and C? B and C, thickness is same, difference in a material. So here the factor you should write it as refractive index, refractive index, or material of the glass slab, or material of the glass block, material of the glass block. That's it. Okay, children. Thank you so much. All the very best.